Are you ready to draw a cool rocket with me? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Step 1. Draw a pointed shape at the top for the rocket's nose. Great start! Step 2. Add 2 curved lines near the top of the body to make a stripe. Step 3. To make the rocket's body, draw 2 curved lines going down from the stripe. Nice job! The main body is ready. Step 5. Draw a small fin in the middle under the body. Step 4. Draw a curved line across the lower part of the body. Your rocket is taking shape. Step 6. Draw one large side fin on the left. Fantastic work! Step 7. Draw the same fin on the right side. Step 8. Draw small rings under the rocket body for the engine part. Keep it up! You're almost done. Step 9. Draw big flame shapes coming out from the bottom. Wow! The rocket engine is on! Amazing! Your rocket is finished. Step 10. Draw eyes, mouth, and face shape. Looking good! Keep going! Awesome! Your rocket is getting more details. Final step. Color your rocket any way you like. Wonderful work! Your rocket is ready to blast off into space. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what animal you want to draw next. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.